What if I told you the Bible isn't just miracles and blessings? It contains some of the darkest family stories ever recorded. Stories of brothers killing brothers, parents losing children, families destroyed by sin, jealousy, and rebellion. These weren't strangers. These were families chosen by God. Stay with me, because one of these stories might explain what's happening in families today. If this topic grips you, then stay till the end. Adam and Eve was the first broken family, the perfect beginning. God created Adam and Eve in perfection. No death, no fear, no violence. The first disobedience, one command broken, sin entered the human bloodline. The first family tragedy. Cain and Abel. Jealousy grew silently. Cain murdered his own brother. Imagine the first parents burying their first child and knowing the killer was their other son. Why this is terrifying. Murder entered the world through family. God marked Cain not to kill him, but to let him live with guilt. This family introduced death, violence, fear, separation from God. Noah's family, as the second family, was saved from the flood, but not from sin. Only 8 survivors. The entire world drowned. Noah's family alone remained. The unexpected shame. After the flood, Noah became drunk. Ham dishonored his father. A curse followed Ham's lineage. The fear factor. Even after judgment, sin survived. Being saved doesn't mean temptation disappears. The flood destroyed the world, but it didn't destroy sin in the heart. Lot's family, as the third, escaped fire and lost everything. Living in Sodom, surrounded by extreme wickedness, sin became normal. The night of escape. Fire rained from heaven. Lot's wife looked back and turned into a pillar of salt. The darkest twist. Lot's daughters believed the world had ended. They committed incest with their father. 2 enemy nations were born from that night. This family survived judgment, but never escaped corruption. King David's family, as the fourth, are royal blood with family curses. God's chosen king, a man after God's heart, a royal household. The hidden sin. David committed adultery with Bathsheba, arranged the death of her husband. The family fallout. Tamar was raped by her half-brother Amnon. Absalom murdered Amnon. Absalom rebelled against David. David fled his own palace. David won battles against giants, but lost battles inside his own home. Why this is so scary? Even spiritual leaders can destroy their families through hidden sin. Sin echoes through generations. Why these stories matter today? These families weren't random. They were warnings. God shows us that sin starts small. Silence allows destruction. Repentance can stop generational curses. Your family story is not finished yet. If God could still use these broken families, He can restore yours. If this message gets to you, then like this video and comment, "God, restore my family," to receive God's restoration and blessings into your family today.